Do motorcycle laws apply on private property? Have you ever wondered how motorcycle laws work when you are not on public roads? The rules can change quite a bit when you ride on private property. Let's break it down together. When you are on public roads, you must follow all traffic laws. This includes having your motorcycle registered, being properly licensed, and wearing a helmet. But what happens when you ride on private land? The rules are not as strict. On private property, like a backyard or a farm, the landowner has more control over what is allowed. This means that if you are riding on your own land or have permission from the owner, many public traffic laws may not apply. However, it is important to note that you still need the landowner's permission to ride on their property. If you ride without permission, it could be considered trespassing, which can lead to legal issues. Additionally, local regulations may still apply, especially in residential areas. These could include noise ordinances to keep the peace with neighbors. The legal protections for vehicles, including motorcycles, parked on private property are quite strong. The United States Supreme Court has ruled that police cannot enter the area surrounding a home without a warrant to search or seize a motorcycle. This means that your motorcycle is safer from search and seizure on private property compared to public spaces. Now, let's talk about registration and licensing. While you need to register your motorcycle and have a license to ride on public roads, these requirements do not always apply on private property. You can legally ride an unregistered motorcycle or moped on private land without a license. Just remember, you cannot take that same motorcycle onto public roads without following the proper regulations. Safety is another important aspect to consider. Even if the laws are more relaxed on private property, it is still essential to ride safely. Landowners should think about liability issues and may want to have riders sign waivers. This can help prevent accidents and potential legal disputes. In summary, motorcycle laws like registration, licensing, and helmet use mainly apply to public roads. On private property, these laws are generally not enforced, but you still need permission from the landowner and must follow any local regulations. Riding on private land offers more freedom, but it is crucial to respect ownership rights and prioritize safety.